Well, what Rockwell does very well is they're able for their hybrid applications, they tend to use, for example, various edge devices that are located in the plant. These are physical devices that are close to the factory floor. Sometimes they may be something that may work, let's say, as part of their PLCs and packs, very close to where the product is being manufactured and processed. That way, the information is gathered, certainly again in real time. The predictive and prescriptive analytics, for example, can be run right at that point, and now that data can be converted into meaningful information that can either be fed back into the process itself to be able to make control decisions, or that information could be sent up to the cloud, to be stored and used for other business-related applications. So Rockwell does have today, they're producing many solutions that have the combination of edge devices as well as working with the hyperscalers in the cloud. For example, they have a collaboration with a company called Stratus Technologies, and they maybe do a lot of the edge devices working with Stratus. And then, for example, going to the cloud, whether it be, Microsoft Azure, whether it be Amazon AWS. So they're working closely with the hyperscalers. So that way they're truly delivering on a hybrid solution. And to be honest, based on ARC research, that's what we see coming in, probably over the next, 3 to 5 years. Is we see edge remaining very, very strong. We see certainly continued growth in the cloud, and we see that these hybrid applications are what really are going to be very, very dominant. And then again, the separation being real time in the edge, and maybe things that are more for a business, that are leveraging more for production management, business, quality, historian. Those would be the information that would most likely be shared in the cloud. So thinking in terms of these hybrid solutions would be the best way to go.